Here's another quick video, y'all. If you have an old trash can laying around, this is how I test my engine on my boat before I go out to the lake. What I'll do is, especially if I'm working on it, this is what I'll do so I don't have to keep the garden hose running the whole time. But what I do is I fill this trash can up with water right here, and I cut a hole so the whole prop and the outboard can fit inside. And the water intake is down inside there. And I made the lid this way so if I need to rev the engine up a little bit, less water will come out of the trash can. But it's just an old trash can I had around with a matching lid, and it works good for, especially when I'm working on it, so I don't have to get out the garden hose and I don't have to leave it running the whole time and all that.